Say goodbye to ladders and streaky glass. Today we're revealing the top 5 best window cleaning robots that combine smart AI, powerful suction, and automatic spraying to make your windows crystal clear effortlessly. Stay tuned to find out which one tops the list. Number 1. Hutt Auto Window Cleaning Robot. Tired of climbing ladders or stretching dangerously to clean your windows? Meet the Hutt Auto Window Cleaning Robot, your smart, hands-free solution to sparkling glass every time. This innovative cleaner features a 1+2 design with triple reabsorption for 200% improved safety, no slips, no worries. It's upgraded for spray nozzles and 150 ml water tank cover up to 90 in one go, saving you from constant refills. Thanks to 13 smart sensors and AI-powered suction up to 3,800 pascals, it detects edges, adjusts power, and glides smoothly even over frameless glass. Built with premium rubber tracks, it stays steady without scratching your windows. With one-button control and voice prompts, operation is effortless. Simply dry wipe first, then wet wipe for a perfect finish. Pros: powerful 3,800 pascals AI-adjusted suction for flawless cleaning. Large water tank and for spray nozzles for full coverage. Smart sensors ensure safe and precise edge detection. Con: not suitable for rounded or silicone-edged windows. Stay tuned, up next, we're revealing another smart cleaner that'll make home maintenance even easier. Number 2. Ecovacs Winbot Portable Window Cleaning Robot. If you thought window cleaning couldn't get any smarter, wait till you meet the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro Omni, the ultimate all-in-one window cleaning robot that brings innovation, safety, and power together. This high-tech marvel offers dual power modes: go cordless with up to 110 minutes of battery life, or plug it in for non-stop cleaning. Its 6-in-1 multifunction station acts as a charger, stabilizer, and control hub, making every cleaning session smooth and effortless. With 3 wide-angle spray nozzles and powerful pressure technology, it wipes away dirt in a single sweep. The WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning ensures 30% faster, more precise cleaning, even on complex glass surfaces. Plus, the 12-stage protection system gives you peace of mind with maximum safety and reliability. Pros: dual power options for flexible use anywhere. Smart 6-in-1 cleaning station with easy controls. Advanced path planning for efficient, spotless results. Con: its advanced features make it a bit pricier than standard window cleaners. Stay tuned, the next window cleaning innovation might surprise you even more. Number 3. Winbot W120 DP Window Cleaning Robot. Want spotless windows without lifting a finger? The Winbot W120 DP Window Cleaning Robot is here to make your glass shine like never before, combining smart control, powerful suction, and safe operation into one sleek device. Equipped with 4 upgraded spray nozzles and a 60 ml water tank, it delivers precise misting for efficient cleaning. Its advanced edge detection sensors ensure it cleans even frameless glass with ease, while the variable suction power, 2800 PAR 3200 PAR, keeps it firmly attached to any surface, no slips, no streaks. Control it effortlessly through the app or remote, choosing from 10 cleaning modes to match your window's condition. And with its built-in UPS safety system, it keeps working for up to 30 minutes during power outages, total peace of mind. Pros: smart variable suction for secure, thorough cleaning. Multiple modes with app and remote control convenience. UPS backup for safety during power loss. Con: not suitable for small or irregularly shaped windows. Stick around, the next cleaner takes smart window care to a whole new level. Number 4. Hutt Smart Window Cleaning Robot. Imagine getting crystal clear windows without lifting a finger. Meet the Hutt Smart Window Cleaning Robot, your next level cleaning partner that blends power, intelligence, and safety for flawless results every time. This advanced cleaner uses bidirectional ultrasonic atomization spray, delivering side water jets for streak-free, efficient cleaning on every swipe. Its large 65 ml visible water tank sprays automatically twice per movement, giving full coverage without constant refills. With variable suction from 2,400 pascals to 3,200 pascals, it smartly adjusts power based on dirt level, tackling tough grime while protecting your glass. Equipped with AI-powered edge detection and an air pressure safety sensor, it works confidently on high or frameless windows without slipping or falling. Lightweight yet powerful, it's the effortless solution for modern homes. Pros: the ultrasonic dual spray system ensures spotless, streak-free glass. Smart variable suction adapts to dirt levels for deep cleaning. Advanced safety sensors prevent falls and edge mishaps. Con: requires occasional manual refill for extended cleaning sessions. Stay tuned, our final pick takes smart window cleaning to the ultimate level. Number 5. Anminto Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. Meet the future of effortless glass cleaning, the Anminto Automatic Window Cleaning Robot, a smart, secure, and high-performance cleaner that brings crystal-clear shine to every corner of your windows. Powered by AI 5.0 intelligent path planning, it detects edges, frames, and obstacles to map out the most efficient cleaning route. Its dual water nozzles and double helix cleaning heads, paired with soft microfiber pads, wipe away dust, smudges, and fingerprints for a streak-free sparkle every time. You're always in control with its infrared remote, offering 3 auto-cleaning modes and manual adjustments for customized cleaning. Plus, its triple safety system, featuring 3,000 pascals suction power, UPS backup for 30 minutes, and a high-strength safety rope, ensures reliable performance even during power interruptions. Pros: AI 5.0 smart navigation for precise, full-coverage cleaning. Dual nozzles and helix heads deliver deep, streak-free results. Triple safety system guarantees secure operation. Con: require setup with power and rope before each use. Stick around till the end, we'll reveal which of these window robots stands out as the ultimate cleaning champion.